I can't relax. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Well, we'll go to the doctor tomorrow. No, it's more than that. I want to go to the hospital.
Ada Mina's decision to go to the hospital was a lifesaver. Ada suffers from heart disease, and this time doctors had to implant a pacemaker. Terry Gent also battles heart disease, something she first thought was just fatigue.
It seemed like I was tired all the time. I had shortness of breath at times. I had a lot of headaches, a lot of body pain.
A medical test revealed she'd suffered a silent heart attack more than a year ago. Both women credit their stay at Rosegate Cardiac Rehabilitation for helping them get back on their feet.
She enjoyed herself here. She made friends. She was all over the place. She was like the little queen of Rosegate Rehab for a while.
With the right diet, the right medications, the exercise, you see them turn around very quickly.
For most patients, cardiac rehab includes physical therapy, occupational therapy, and adopting a heart-healthy diet.
Oh, my sodium, that's bad. If you have a bad heart, you have to watch your sodium real close.
And for women, sometimes the symptoms of heart failure can be difficult to pinpoint.
When you're having cardiac difficulties, especially heart failure, you're going to have very similar symptoms.
Don't ignore them. Go to the hospital immediately.
For more information on cardiac rehabilitation, go to the American Senior Community's website at ascseniorcare.com. I'm Mike Ahern for Boomer TV.